Alright, so this one's for the YouTubers. It's Kevin over at Keen Auto doing the rebuild title versus clean title wrap. So if you want to get a car rebuilt with Keen, that's no problem. We can. You can leave a deposit. We can go find the car. We can, fix it and build it. And I like to use the Build-A-Bear. We can put it all back together and get all the panels back, get it painted and whatever. But I just think when you stick with clean title, with our program's designed to be for a couple of years. So you buy a car with Keen Auto Mall, we report and help you reestablish your scores and get your credit back right. Then 2 years from now, whether you want to upgrade to a car with us on our upgrade program, or now you got a clean title whip that's almost paid off that you could take to a Toyota dealership, a Honda dealership, and you're going to get a real trade-in value for the car, whereas the rebuild stuff, they just ain't gonna pay you much. You're not gonna get a whole lot on trade. You can try to sell it privately, later on, and you fight all the people for, how much that car should be worth and all that other stuff. But the reality is, sticking with clean title, it's gonna be a little bit of an older car. Maybe find a 2019 rebuild title versus my 2015 clean title. It might be the same price or whatever, but long term, you're gonna spend 40% more on your insurance premium. If the car gets totaled and you have comprehensive collision, you're going to receive 40% less in payout. If that car gets stolen, wrecked, hit by an uninsured driver, you're going to receive 40% less money. So that spreads like 80%. These auto insurance companies are laughing all the way to the bank because they're charging you 40% more in premium and they're paying you 40% less in payout. It's crazy. So I know the rebuild stuff is popular. You want the newer car, this and that. I would just do 2 years. Just do 2 years. You pay Keen Auto. We help you. We report on the credit bureau. We get your scores right. You start working on cleaning your credit. If you need help, hit me up. Stop by the dealership. I'll do a whole personal finance review to help you out, to get you back in new car status. Trade my clean title car. Go to Honda, go to Toyota, go to Infiniti, go to Audi, Lexus, whatever your real dream car is going to be. Use this as the stepping stones. Let's just use this as the staircase to get back right with your credit scores. It's easy. It ain't that bad. It ain't that hard. I got customers all the time. I had a customer the other day, paid us right for a couple years, and boom, 2015 Lexus RC350 F Sport, clean title, power upgrade. They traded in the older car that they had for a while. They had insurance and everything with us. Everything was good. And with our loyalty program, bang, into a $30,000 whip. Almost similar payments to what they were paying before. So you could use our loyalty program and, stick with Keen and keep on going with us, or, use it another way. Get that clean title, start shopping for the Toyota, rebuild your credit scores, get everything right, and you could use the credit rebuilding plus the clean title, get more money down, save on auto insurance. There's just a lot of pluses. I like to distinguish ourselves from the competition. I think our program is pretty solid. We're brand new in the game. We've only been in this for a few years. The competitors been there 30, 40, 50 years. They're used to the old ways. Everything's rebuilt. Everything's wrecked. They don't really care, how your future looks as an outcome, whether your car's worth nothing because it's a rebuilt title. You got all the lights on the dash, check engine, airbags, this, that, things pulling, needs alignments. They're just going to get it right just enough for you to drive off the lot in most cases. And they've been around a long time, and that's what's been working, and that's what's, that's how it's going to continue being. And, I'm not knocking it. They're making money. We're all in the business to be profitable. I just think our program is a little bit better for the consumer long term. The clean titles cost me a little bit more up front too, so I'm taking a little hit on my profit. But in the long term, it's beneficial for everybody because you're in a more reliable car. I don't have to hear the phone ringing for problems happening right when you buy the car after the sale. You get a better resale value. You're saving on auto insurance. Hopefully in 2 years, maybe you don't buy a brand new car and I retain you and keep you as a loyal customer. We get you in another couple of years and another upgrade, a power upgrade like we've been doing, and get you the dream car. So that's how we do it over here. It's clean title cars. This is Kevin over at Keen Auto. Keen's clean all day. Mr. 500. We got 500 down whips all over the place. You could do the 500 down sliders. You could do the 2K down, nice fully loaded sliders. We got tons of cars for everybody. You got some luxury cars with 5,000 down. So there's a little bit for everybody here. I got about 70 cars on the lot. I'm the owner operator. I'm the founder. I started from scratch. We appreciate all the small business support. Our Instagram is what's bringing in everything. We're in the Chamber of Commerce in Pompano Beach. We're doing the small business networking. I give out cars all over the place to local restaurants and diners. So we're just doing our thing to try to make it happen. If you need a car today, give me a call, 954-532-9699. We are, doing sponsorships for the music festivals like the Pompano Beach Fall Fest and all of T-Dog's future events. We're going to do more of that too. So take a look for the banners. You're going to see Keene Auto Mall. We're always looking for, community support. If you got any small business, community ideas and you're looking for sponsorships, ears are open. Give me a call. If I can help out, give me a ring, 954-532-9699. This is Kevin over at Keene Auto Mall, just doing the why go clean versus rebuilt and kind of how we do it. Throw this on YouTube so you got a little more time to hear all about us. Give me a shout, 954-532-9699, www.keenautomall.com. Keene Auto Mall at Outlook is our email for inquiries. If you got a specific car in mind, it's not on the website, holla at your boy Keene. I got you. Over and out.